Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on Zcash. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Zcash first broke out a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and after that, it was moving inside in another up channel. And this was my last video when Zcash was testing the support of another up channel. And now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that the price line has bounced very well from the support of the channel. You can see that recently it is bounced from the support. And by the way, we found the support and resistance of this up channel when it was moving inside this previous down channel, not the down channel, this falling wedge pattern. And this down channel was formed within this bigger down channel. And at that time, we also found their support and resistance of this up channel as well. You can see that we got rejection here, bounce here, rejection, rejection. Then we had another bounce here, several touch points here at the support. Then we got another rejection. And recently, you can see that the price line dropped again at the support of this channel and bounced very well. And now we are about to hit this long-term resistance of $80. And if the price then breaks out this resistance, then it can hit the resistance of the channel somewhere here approximately at $100. And over there, we have another quite long-term resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Zcash that I shared with my members on 29th of November 2024. And this signal has produced more than 50% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Zcash that I shared on 29th of November 2024 with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that Zcash was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with you with Bitcoin pair. And this was a complete trade signal, the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line, as expected, dropped more down, ended the buying zone here, and we had a very, very nice reversal. And this was more than 50% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Zcash, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, even for the past several months, since after the month of May 2024, it is moving inside this up channel. We got rejection here, bounce here, rejection. Then we got so many touch points here as the support of the channel. Then we had another bounce. And recently, the price end was again dropped down at the support of the channel and bounced very well. And now, first, we will need to break out this long-term resistance of $80. By the way, from $80 to $100, we have a complete resistance on. And after the breakout from this resistance of $80, it can hit the resistance of $100 along with the resistance of this up channel. If we take a look at the previous history of this resistance zone, then you can see that previously this resistance zone from $80 to $100 has been working as a very strong support zone here, support zone here, support zone here, support here, and resistance zone here. And therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Zcash. But once the price line of Zcash will be able to break out this up channel's resistance, then technical target for the breakout from this channel, for example, if we will have a breakout from here, that will be very close to the next long-term resistance of $216. That is also another quite long-term resistance. If we take a look at the previous history of $216, then you can see that previously it had been working as a very strong resistance here. And here it was almost breaking as a resistance. Therefore, again, it can work as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of Zcash. And now let's take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. That target will be here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $350 to $400. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I shared. Take care. Goodbye.